Hello, and welcome to the Reincarnations Hand Painted Furniture channel, where we create fun painted furniture for fun people. In this video, we are going to illustrate the painting process on our Whimsical Butterfly Chair step by step. This piece starts with an unfinished tall Windsor chair, a style typified by the high curved back and radiating spokes. While providing a number of curves and surfaces for decoration, it still lacked a certain something that would set it apart. In order to give this design a unique flair, we removed the center spokes in order to replace them with a custom backing. Using a custom design, I fashioned the backing slat using a scroll saw and router to shape and round the edges, with generous sanding before using it to replace the removed spokes. With the new backing inserted, it was time to prime the chair. As usual, we apply at least 3 coats of primer, sanding between each coat. With priming complete, we could apply the base colors. We started with the spokes, painting each a different color, and using several coats of each after allowing them to fully dry in order to get a solid, vibrant hue. We then continued this process on the top arch, bottom supports, and legs. Once the base colors have been applied, we add some decorative details in the form of dots and stripes on the legs and back arch. At this stage, the seat and added back brace are the last parts to receive base colors. Now we began the last phase of the base color portion of our project. The seat and back addition are meant to be the focal point of this piece, and we left this portion for last for this reason. After many coats and touch-ups, the colors are solid, and the natural lines of the chair provide for the use of many hues. For our whimsical themes, the more colors the better, making for a visually striking focal point. Now we could begin the detailing phase of our project, beginning with the chair bottom and legs. Most of the details are simple, being comprised of dots and stripes, but again, this requires several coats to attain solid colors and clean lines, both vital to any work of painted furniture. This can be a time-consuming process, but more than worth the effort. With most of the detail work completed, it was time to move to the chair seat and final detailing. We save the seat on all our painted chairs for last as it provides the most space for decoration and is usually the most fun to paint. This design features a large whimsical butterfly design, and no two are ever exactly alike. With the design finished, we add some more dots to the background and make our final touch-ups. The chair is now a nearly finished work of functional art, with a color scheme and design that is sure to stand out in any room. The metallic background draws attention to the seat design and allows the butterfly design to pop in a vibrant way. With the main design completed, we finished this project by personalizing the chair for our client with hand lettering before applying several coats of clear protective finish for durability. Chairs are subject to more use than some other pieces, so additional coats are applied before delivery to the client. We hope you have enjoyed seeing our process on this piece. If you like our content, please like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay creative and stay kind.